Guys, it's midnight in Paris here, and this is my brand new puppy, Penelope. Say hi. And as you can see, she's in a big sink right now. My hands are all dyed, but I wanted to show you the water. Look at the water. How, like, it does not show up on the camera how pink it is, but it is so freaking pink. I'm dyeing her pink. I'm dyeing her white fur pink. She's mostly blonde, but she looks very adorable. And I'm gonna finish up. I just wanted to introduce you to my brand new family member. She's so cute. That water, though. Come here, Penelope. Move over. That water. Very pretty. I wish I could bathe in that. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Look at my hands. Oh my god. Oh, got anything to say? No? I think you're traumatized. She's like, no, I'm pink. No. Okay, well, I know I haven't made a video in a while, guys. I apologize for that. But, here's a short one, so you'll know what I'm up to. Just taking care of her. But, yep, that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and that's it. Did you jump in? Yeah, did you jump in? Play. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go and finish up. Say bye. Bye.